Though commonly thought to be a vegetable, cucumber is actually a fruit. It's high in beneficial nutrients, as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration, aiding in weight loss. Cucumbers have a high water content. In fact, cucumbers are made up of about 96% water. To maximize their nutrient content, cucumbers should be eaten unpeeled. Peeling them reduces the amount of fiber, as well as certain vitamins and minerals. Contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that block oxidation, a chemical reaction that forms highly reactive atoms with unpaired electrons known as free radicals. One study measured the antioxidant power of cucumber by supplementing 30 older adults with cucumber powder. At the end of the 30-day study, cucumber powder caused a significant increase in several markers of antioxidant activity and improved antioxidant status. Promotes hydration. Water is crucial to your body's function, playing numerous important roles. In fact, proper hydration can affect everything from physical performance to metabolism. Cucumbers are composed of about 96% water. They are especially effective at promoting hydration and can help you meet your daily fluid needs. Weight loss. Cucumbers could potentially help you lose weight in a few different ways. This means that you can eat plenty of cucumbers without packing on the extra calories that lead to weight gain. Lower blood sugar. Several animal and test tube studies have found that cucumbers may help reduce blood sugar levels and prevent some complications of diabetes. In addition, one test tube study found that cucumbers may be effective at reducing oxidative stress and preventing diabetes-related complications. Constipation. Eating cucumbers may help support regular bowel movements. Dehydration is a major risk factor for constipation, as it can alter your water balance and make the passage of stool difficult. One study had 80 participants supplement with pectin. It found that pectin sped up the movement of the intestinal muscles, all while feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut that improve digestive health. Cucumbers are a refreshing, nutritious and incredibly versatile addition to any diet. They are low in calories but contain many important vitamins and minerals, as well as high water content. Eating cucumbers may lead to many potential health benefits, including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar levels.